What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my channel, and this is Josh. And in this tutorial I want to show you quickly how you can double your earning on Google AdMob and Google AdSense. Now I am trying, by the special grace of God, to be able to tell people the legitimate way of earning on Google AdMob, because the reason is because a lot of people think that AdMob is a scam. It's not scam. The problem is that a lot of people are not ready to do it the right way, and because people are not ready to do it the right way, it now looks as if it's a scam. But guys, it's never a scam, right? So now, if you want to earn legitimately on Google AdMob, I want to give you a very brief introduction about how Google AdMob comes, how you can earn on that. Now, Google AdMob makes money on people on ads, right? So Google as a platform has three basic ways you can earn money. One, YouTube, for YouTubers, and number two, we have AdSense for people who have websites, and then we have app, that is for people who have app. Now, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can even double your earnings, right? And this is something that everybody can do, and especially if you really want to make money on AdMob, this video is just for you. So I wanted to click the subscribe button if you are not yet a member of this family, and then like this video so that more people can see it, right? So let's go. So now what I want to share with you is, like, look at this website here. Look at this website. Now if you look at this website, this is an ad. Earn $3.5 per answer. This is an ad, right? This is an ad. All these are ads. If I click on it now, you see that the ad will open. I don't want to do that. This is another ad here. Earn your bachelor's degree. It's an ad. Now as I'm looking at this ad now, this man is making money, right? This is another ad. So on one page you can have as much as, look at another ad here, or you can be able to put up to like 10 ads on one page. So that is what is called AdSense. Now look at another website here. This one is latest Nigerian music. Look at this is an ad. Remember this ad you saw there? Look at it here again. So as I'm looking at this page now, this guy is making money. Now how does this guy come about this? Now, you know, there are many upcoming artists that are looking for how you can be able to promote their music, right? They're looking for how they can promote their music. So all you need to do is that you need to create a website that allows people to download their music for free. Make it for free. So any upcoming artist will now come here and upload their music for free. The people who want such music will now come here to download. So your website will allow people to download music for free. If you look at this music here, you can actually download them for free. Most of them you can download them for free. They have gospel, they have mixtape videos and all of that. You can download them for free. So because this website is free, a lot of people will want to visit. One, people want to download it free. Two, artists who want to come here and upload their music for free. So this website is now getting traffic, and when this website is getting traffic, this guy is making money, right? So he didn't put much ad, but I can see just like 2 ads here. I saw one here, another one, but there's a way. Okay, number 3, another ad here, 3. So you can there's a way you can even increase your ad and place more ads on your page, so that you can even make more money. Now that is number 1. So when you place this ad, the next thing is that you can now convert this website into a mobile app. You can convert this website into a mobile app. How do you do that? It's very simple. I just click on app geyser. So right here I'm going to hit on create app. So I can just come here. Now look at this one. It says convert website into mobile app. So I'll click on this. So I'm going to pick on this URL. I'm not going to do this because once I do this, so I'll place that. So I'll click on get content. So you can see what can you see there? You have seen an app, isn't it? That's an app, isn't it? That's an app, isn't it? So if I monetize this app now, if I'm the owner of this website and I monetize this app, when people download this app, you understand? When people download this app, there will be ad will be showing on this app, ad will be showing on this website. So I have double my earning. So if I'm getting $100 here, I may be getting, like, if I'm getting $100 here, I'll be getting $100 here. So at the end of the day, I have double my earnings. So guys, that's the smartest way to make money. That's the smartest way. And guess what? It doesn't cost much to create a website. Just a one-page website. Like this one now is just a very simple website. Like this one is called myschool.com. What does it do? It's uploading past question papers. That's what it's uploading on this website. Past jam questions, wire questions, and all of that. People, so many things. Actually this website is robust, but you can do something very small, then get a website for that, and then people will begin to use it, and people are using, you are making your earnings, guys. So if you have value, if you have gotten value from this video, don't forget to like this video and share it so that more people can see this video. So guys, I have a course where I teach detail on how you can be able to create professional apps and also make money, right? So I treat a lot of things in that course. So if I'm not gotten that course and you want to learn it, I want you to check the link around this video, and you can be able to get in touch with me. And also, if you don't have time to begin to learn all the apps, but you want me to help you create maybe a website like this, I can help you to create a simple website like this. Choose any beautiful website and we can create it, put ads on it, and also create a mobile app for it, and then boom, you start making money. Listen, there's a legitimate way to make money. Don't let anybody scam you. Don't follow all this clicking, all of these things. They are waste of time. You will not make money. You waste your resources, you waste your time. At the end of the day, you will regret. So do the legitimate thing and earn money together, right? So guys, I want to see you in my next